Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Pharmacology Made Easy. Today I am going to discuss about an important antiepileptic drug phenytoin. So let us start today's video how to remember phenytoin in just 8 minutes. Phenytoin or diphenylhydantoin is one of the oldest antiepileptic drugs. It causes only mild sedation at therapeutic doses. Mechanism of action of phenytoin. It prolongs the duration of inactivated stage of sodium channels. To understand this, let us see this diagram. So this is a sodium channel which exists in three stages. First is a resting or closed stage, second is the activated or open stage, and third is the inactivated stage. Here is the activation gate which is present on extracellular side, while there is an inactivation gate which is present on an intracellular side. First, resting membrane potential is minus 70 millivolt when the sodium channel is closed. After that, depolarization occurs, because of which there is an entry of sodium ions inside the cell and resting membrane potential becomes positive plus 30 millivolt. This occurs because activation and inactivation gate both are open. After that, inactivated stage occurs where activation gate is open but inactivation gate is closed. Inactivated stage allows the sodium channels to recover. This inactivation stage is prolonged by phenytoin, because of which this reduces the chances of sodium channel becoming available again for activation, and high frequency discharges are specifically inhibited in seizures, because of which sodium channels influx will be inhibited, glutamate release will be inhibited, and seizures will be prevented. Pharmacokinetics. Phenytoin has a narrow therapeutic index. That is, if the plasma concentration is between 10 to 20 microgram per ml, no toxicity appears. But if the concentration increases beyond 20 microgram per ml, chances of toxicity increases. That's why monitoring of plasma concentration is necessary. Second, phenytoin follows the saturation kinetics, also called as a capacity limited or mixed order kinetics. That is, kinetics changes from first order to zero order. In between the 10 to 20 microgram per ml concentration, phenytoin follows the first order kinetics as the metabolic enzymes are enough in magnitude. But if the concentration increases beyond 20 microgram per ml, then phenytoin follows zero order kinetics as the metabolic enzymes are limited in magnitude. So small increase in the dose cause disproportionate increase in the concentration. Third, phenytoin is a potent inducer of liver enzymes like cytochrome 2C9, cytochrome 3A45, and that's why there are higher chances of drug interaction with drugs like oral contraceptive. So pregnancy failure may occur. Next, phenytoin, if brand change occurs with phenytoin, it can lead to toxicity due to differences in viability of different brand. For example, if the patient is stabilized on a brand Dilantin, then he should not be changed to brand Iptoin, as both of these brands may have different absorption, which may lead to the suboptimal or toxic property of phenytoin. Next, fosphenytoin. This is a water-soluble prodrug of phenytoin which is especially discovered for IV or intramuscular administration. It has the following advantages. First, it can be given by fast IV route administration as compared to phenytoin in an emergency condition like status epilepticus. Second, it is less damaging to the intima of the veins and causes less local vascular complications. Third, it can be injected with both saline and the glucose, while phenytoin can be given only with saline and not with glucose. Uses of phenytoin. Phenytoin as an antiepileptic is useful to treat partial seizure, especially psychomotor partial seizure, generalized tonic-clonic seizure, that is GTCS, and status epilepticus. But it is contraindicated in absence and myoclonic seizure. Non-epileptic uses of phenytoin first include trigeminal neuralgia because of its property to selectively inhibit high-frequency firing. But here it is a second choice to the drug carbamazepine. Second, it is useful as a class 1B antiarrhythmic drug to treat the digitalis induced ventricular arrhythmia. Third, it is recently promoted to enhance the wound healing because phenytoin inhibits the enzyme collagenase, because of which overgrowth of collagen occurs and wound healing is promoted. Adverse effect or side effect of phenytoin, which can be easily remembered by the mnemonic hot, male, can't. Let us see each letter. The letter H stands for three things: hirsutism, hypertrophy of gums, and hypersensitivity. Hirsutism, coarsening of facial features, and acne occurs because of increase in androgen secretion, which is especially troublesome in young girls. Second, hypertrophy of gums occurs because phenytoin inhibits the enzyme collagenase, because of which breakdown of collagen will not occur and collagen overgrowth occurs. This causes gingival hyperplasia or gum hypertrophy. This can be minimized by maintaining the oral hygiene. Third, it causes hypersensitivity reaction like rashes, fever or DLE, which can be inhibited by stopping the drug. Letters O stand for osteomalacia in adults and rickets in children. This occurs because phenytoin interferes with activation of vitamin D and also interferes with calcium absorption. Letter T stand for teratogenicity. If phenytoin is given in pregnant female, it causes fetal hydantoin syndrome in fetus, which is characterized by cleft lip, cleft palate, microcephaly, and hypoplastic phalanges. This occurs because of toxic metabolite of phenytoin, arenozide metabolite. Letter M stand for megaloblastic anemia. This occurs because phenytoin interferes with folate absorption and increases its excretion. This can be minimized or treated by giving the folic acid supplement. Letter A stand for arrhythmia. This occurs only at a high IV doses, especially with fosphenytoin. Letter I stand for it. Phenytoin inhibits the insulin release, because of which it causes hyperglycemia and glycosuria. Letter L stand for lymphadenopathy, but phenytoin causes superficial lymph node enlargement, which may be called as a pseudolymphoma, but sometimes it can cause malignant lymphoma like picture. Letter K stand for vitamin K deficiency, due to which bleeding or hemorrhage occurs in the newborn, and this can be prevented by giving vitamin K. Next, A stand for ataxia, which occurs at a high or toxic doses of phenytoin. Rest of side effects except arrhythmia occurs at a therapeutic doses due to prolonged use. Letter N stand for nystagmus. It also occurs at a high doses. While last letter D stand for diplopia, which also occurs at a high doses. So last three side effects, ataxia, nystagmus and diplopia, occurs at a high doses by oral route due to disturbances in cerebellar function. Phenytoin adverse effect can also be remembered as a 6H. First, hypertrophy of the gums. Second, hirsutism. Third, hydantoin syndrome. Fourth, hyperglycemia. Fifth, hemorrhage due to vitamin K deficiency. And sixth, hypersensitivity reaction. So if you have liked my presentation, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.